Today on the Recipe Rebel, we are making Instant Pot Swedish meatballs and noodles. It is so ridiculously easy, just one pot. You are not gonna believe how quickly it comes together. We're gonna start by putting some frozen meatballs right into the pressure cooker. Next, we'll add in our beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and dried parsley. The last thing we're gonna add into the Instant Pot before we pressure cook is egg noodles. We're just going to put them right on top, spread them around. The liquid won't entirely cover the noodles, but they will still be cooked perfectly. Now we're just gonna put the lid on, pressure cook for a few minutes on manual, then we're gonna open it up and stir in our cream. So once our cook time is up, we're just going to stir together some cornstarch and cream. We'll stir it into the liquid and cook it a bit on saute just until it's nice and thick.